Hello everybody, my name is Lillian. Today I want to show you how to dress up your data dashboard with Christmas theme. It's holiday time. Let's have some fun. These are the hex codes you need for the Christmas theme. I use a little bit more than usual because I want to have more choices. You don't have to use that many, but pick what you like. I think the red and green is the minimum. This is a website I refer to get my Christmas theme colors. And when you have your dashboard, however you already lay it out, if you want to change the color quickly, you can go to Power BI. Using Power BI, go to View, Theme, Customize Current Theme, and under Name and Colors, put Christmas theme, and the hex code that you just got, you will enter the color here. So let's say I'm going to enter F. So enter all of the color. All right, so now I hope you have spent some time enter your color. I have entered all my colors and I click applied and it's kind of take over what you already have. And using Power BI, click on them and change the color. Let's say I want to change this to a gold. Change this bar to red. I want it to look festive. I want to change this little bar to, let's see what color looks nice. This is conditional formatting. Let's do it Christmas green. No, red. Let's try Christmas green. Okay. However you like it. Play dressing up party, right? We'll change this one to this is dress up. You might not want it on a regular day, but for holidays, it's different, right? Change of the color. Red. Silver. If I want to change this to silver, I need to have a background that can make it looks clear. So I might want to use different color. I don't like this very much. All right. Okay, now I want to add some decoration to it. To add images, make sure you select images that are of PNG file because then you can clear the background. I have picked some, so let me select some GIFs. Put it on the top. What else? Garland. I want a PNG file. Okay. All right, there we go. Here's a quick way to dress up your dashboard. Shouldn't take very long. Um, Only if you like it. Let's have some fun. Thank you for watching this. Let me know what you think and any ideas to improve and what you learned from this. I would love to hear from you. Bye.